sleep and also you. Everything is so calm and quiet outside, just like you. Nobody is rushing, just the rain is falling down with the sound of thousands of little drowns. And the feel you can be safe even when there is a big storm lightning around the skies. You are in a land of dreams, and you know that time never lets you go, never lets you go. I can see the city light.